Like, can you cut it off? I have to figure out which way. Like, left or right.
Just start talking. Say the problem,
Positive 5 minus positive 5. You change it to positive 5 plus minus 5. And go.
positive 5.
And you would go to the right. By 5.
No, you go to the left by 5.
Left by 5.
Because it's negative.
Because it's negative.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the
5.
answer is?
The answer is 0.
Good. Good. Do you get that?
Yes.
Negative 6 minus plus 1. You have to change it to negative 6 plus minus 1. And you count,
So put your marker on the negative 6.
and you have to count to the right. 6. You have to count it.
So go negative 6.
Negative 6.
And so you put it on negative 6. And because it's a negative, it goes to the left. So say that.
Because it's negative, it goes to the left.
And then
So
the answer is?
Negative 7.
Negative 7.
Negative 5 minus negative 2. You keep negative 5 the same. Switch the minus to a plus, and then the 2 should be switched around to the negative 2 goes to a positive 2, and then you get negative 3.
Okay, now show how you did it on the number line.
And then on the number line, you go to negative 5, and then you go back 2, and then you get negative 3.
And why did you go to the right 2?
Because it's a positive number.
Perfect.
Negative 9 minus negative 9 turns to negative 9 plus positive 9. Start out with negative 9.
Starts on the negative 9.
And you add 9.
He's going to go to the right 9 places because positive 9 goes to the right. And he ends up on?
And you get 0.
Perfect. Number 1, positive 3 minus negative 4. It becomes positive 3 plus positive 4. On the number line, I go to positive 3 and I go to the right 4 spaces because it is positives 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the answer is positive 7. Number 2, negative 8 minus negative 5. I rewrite the problem, negative 8 plus positive 5. The first number never changes. The second number becomes the opposite. I go to my number line. I start on negative 8 and I move to the right 5 spaces because the number is positive. And so if it's positive, I move to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is negative 3. Number 3, negative 6 minus positive 4. I rewrite the problem. Negative 6, the first number always stays the same. This becomes an addition problem. The positive 4 becomes negative 4. I go to my number line. Negative 6, because this is a negative 4, I go to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the answer is negative 10. Positive 5 minus positive 5 equals, I rewrite the problem, positive 5, the first number always stays the same. It becomes an addition problem. The second number becomes the opposite, so it was positive 5, now it becomes negative 5. I go to my number line, I start on positive 5 right here because This is a negative number right here. I go to the left. If it's negative, I go to the left. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My answer is 0. And there we go. Number 5, negative 6 minus positive 1. I rewrite the problem. Negative 6 plus negative 1. The first number stays the same. The second number becomes negative. I go to negative 6. I go to the left because it's negative, and it becomes negative 7. That is my answer.